Devtools are a powerful set of tools helping web developers to build better applications. In this video, we will hear and learn about a cool tool called Css Overview. How cool would that be if you come to inspect and know about the color, fonts, media queries, everything about an application, and you can actually browse into and find out what is right, what is wrong, and probably point out where exactly you need to provide some changes. That's all you can do, my friend, using this particular tool from the Devtools. All right, let's see that in action. Here we are seeing Bugfinder website, and to get access to Chrome Devtool, what you got to do, you have to press F12 key on your keyboard, or another way of get to it would be just right click on the web application and say inspect. So once you do that, you will get to see your Chrome Devtools coming up. Here it is. And then what we'll do is we will get plenty of tools to play around. So let's go ahead with the Css Overview tool we'll be talking in this video. To do that, you can click on these three dots and then come to More Tools and then click on Css Overview. This is one way. Other way you can do is you can come to Run command and you can just type Css Overview. So both the ways you can actually land into Css Overview tool. I kind of prefer clicking here and go to More Tools and CSS Overview way because that's the mouse way of doing it than the keyboard way of doing it. So let's go and see CSS Overview. So it helps you to identify potential CSS improvements. What are the things that you can do? You can first capture the overview. Let's capture the overview for this page. So if I click on this button, it's going to process and almost instantly you get to see an overview in front of you. So what it says that this particular page has 1337 elements. It has 8 external style sheet. Inline style elements are 9. There are 1722 styles. There are media queries. There are type selectors. There are ID selectors. Each and everything that you get to know from this. Not only that, this is my favorite. You get to know the color scheme of this application by clicking on this color. Now, if you're interested in a particular color, for example, this one, that where exactly this color might have used, just click on it. And then the below panel is going to show you where exactly it used. So I'm seeing that it is used in multiple places, and one of the prominent places, the navigation bar. So once I click on this, it is going to take me to that particular HTML. And here, if I think oh, this color is fine, but I might want to change it to something else. See, I can see this color over here. I can change it to possibly green. And just see, the navbar has changed to green. So you can play around with it by starting with a color scheme that you're finding from the CSS Overview and can play around with a lot of stuff. Let's get back to CSS Overview to see other things. We can see the font info, what are the fonts, what are the size, how many occurrences of the particular size are there, what is the line height, everything. This is very important. You can see the unused declarations. It means there are CSS that we have written that we are not using properly, or there is no use of that. We can probably clean them or delete it. And then you can also see the media queries, for making the things responsiveness, what are the media queries are there and we have used in this application. We can also see a lot of contrast, color contrast related information, how much we are taken care, of the contrasting point of view. So overall, this is a fantastic tool to use to get various information from the application, to apply, change and everything. And if you want to restart, just click on this button. You can again start capturing. I hope you found this video useful. And if it is as the case, please subscribe to this channel so that you get to know more and more such tips from us. All right. So see you in the next video very soon.